2013 Scion FRS first gen, two fuse boxes. First one is right here when you open the alright, so that's the first one right there. Make sure it goes back. And then there's a second one, which is on your driver's side. And let me just turn on the light. Okay, so I got a light working, and then this is the driver's side, steering wheel, and right here where your dimmer is, right underneath, if you look, right there is a fuse box. So there's like a little clip right here, and that's it. That's where your two fuse boxes are, and then it gives you which one is which. Alright, thanks for watching and see you next video.